Hi everyone, here we've got LENOVO Tab M10 and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps or simply tap on the settings if you've got it on your home page. Then let's scroll a little and find the display and scroll down to find sleep options. As you can see, sleep options just pops out. We can choose either from 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 10 minutes applied, but if you want to change it, then simply tap on the time you want to use. So let me choose, for example, 30 minutes. And that's all. From now on, after 30 minutes of any inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.